In this tutorial, I'll show you how to manually connect a custom domain to Webflow. Let's get started. Open your Webflow project and go to Site Settings. Select the Publishing or Domains section, then click Add Custom Domain. Enter your domain name and save it. Webflow will display the required DNS records that you need to add at your domain registrar, such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Cloudflare. Log into your domain provider, update the DNS records exactly as shown in Webflow, then save your changes. DNS updates can take some time to propagate. Return to Webflow, verify the domain connection if prompted, set your default domain, and publish your website to the custom domain. A paid site plan is required to connect a custom domain. That's how to manually connect a custom domain to Webflow. Thanks for watching.